Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the console so captures work reliably. Update your Xbox and confirm at least a few gigabytes free, because clips need temporary space. Once done, open the guide, go to Capture and Share, and choose default clip length or start a manual recording. Make sure your controller's Capture button is mapped, Guide plus View, or the Share button, so you can trigger captures instantly. This step gets you into the recording flow quickly and avoids interruptions during gameplay. Now execute the recording and manage the footage. Use record to start live capture, or hit record that to save the last 30 seconds to 10 minutes, depending on your settings. This saves you from replaying. Once captured, go to Capture and Share recent captures to trim, choose start and end points, set resolution if prompted, then save. After trimming, move important clips to an external drive or export via the Xbox app. This prevents accidental deletion and finish by exporting and sharing your clip so others can see it. Select the clip, choose Export or Upload, pick MP4 for compatibility, then send it to the Xbox app, OneDrive, or a USB drive. Once exported, share to Xbox Live or social platforms directly from the guide or the app. If captures fail, check privacy settings that restrict captures, confirm available storage, and verify your capture button mapping. If problems persist, restart the console and try a short test recording to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.